oh, you're one of those Māori. Like, you speak well, you dress nice, you look after yourself, you're one of those. You sound so white. You're really eloquent and articulate for Māori. Oh, you're one of those Māori, you have nice stuff. Tēnā tātou kohana tēnei everyone, it's Hannah, and I've been on the receiving end of comments like that for quite a long time, as far as I can remember. And it implies that it's not Māori to want to better yourself, to take pride in your appearance, to want to develop the skills and abilities that we have, to pursue excellence, whatever that might be. When in actual fact, if we didn't do that, we wouldn't get chosen as a partner back in the day, and so our whakapapa lines would end with us, which was not ideal. So it's very much Māori to develop your skills, your craft, contribute positively back to your community. And we know this is Māori because it's in our karakia, it's in our pūrākau, it's in our oriori, our moteatea. The aspirations that our tupuna had for us are woven into all of that. And so we know for a fact it's very much Māori to pursue excellence and to realise our potential. However, we've had a system thrust upon us, forced upon us over the last couple hundred years that is designed for us to fail. It's designed to oppress us and for Pākehā, for white people to achieve and excel. And it's this system that's convinced our people that it's Māori to settle for less than you deserve, to not achieve, to not take pride in your appearance, to be hoary. Like, you can be hoary, that's all good, I am sometimes too, but you're not hoary because you're Māori. We need to learn who we are, and we can only do that by learning our whakapapa, by learning our history, where we come from, who we come from, what we come from, who and what we're accountable to, and who and what we're responsible for moving forward into the future. So we already know what the problem is, we already know that the system is designed to fail us, and that's why we need to pull it apart and create a whole new system. So share your whakaaro, positive, aspirational, constructive, thought-provoking, because we need to design better stories, better pūrākau, better oriori, better moteatea for our tamariki and for the future generations, because that's what they'll use to refer back to as the guidelines, as the blueprint to help them navigate the future that they're about to explore. Tēnā tātou.